Hi, njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Phila, you surprised?
Yes, I'm surprised.
Good.
Ngithukile, in fact, I'm shaking.
Sorry. Balesa, you've seen me before, right?
Yeah.
Izolo mangithi kuwe, can we meet about the dream or whatever? Just wanted to know if you'll be around so we could talk. I've seen you several times lana at campus. In first time I saw you go strike. Angisakhumbula bekustrikeelwa in. And then I liked you. Okay? And then I continued loving you from a distance though. I fell in love with your smile. I fell in love with the fact that you're brave. You're a very respectable girl. I've noticed that. Bantu bakuhlonipha kakhulu nesmile. And I love that about you. So I haven't checked ukuthi if Ulindiwe is seeing anyone or something because I haven't heard any izinto ngawe ukuthi she has done this or that. Because I believe ukuthi uyahlonipheka and you're very brave. Again, you're powerful. So actually the main purpose I called you here ukutshela ukuthi Kawgat, I love you a lot. And kakhulu nje. I've been watching you from a distance, so I thought maybe it's high time I tell you how I feel about you. Because sometimes nokuhlangana now and then I give you the look. Be like, oh, lengani kazi ingena ngani nje. So the main reason I called you here is to tell you how I feel about you. Is that I really love you. Yeah, thanda kakhulu. And I haven't checked if you're seeing someone. Not because I'm being disrespectful or what, but because I believe whatever I have to say to you, it's between you and I. So I didn't check ukuthi Ulindiwe wenzani. I believe ukuthi uhlonipheke kakhulu for me to do that. So ngiyayifela kakhulu nje. And again, I've noticed ukuthi you're the cream of the university. Abantu abaningi bayakuthanda, bayakuhlonipha. Yes, abantu abaningi bayakuhlonipha, bayakuthanda. And for me, I know you're too perfect for me. Like a lot. You're too perfect. Angik deserving. That's why, but they say Itemba Galbulale, right? So I had faith that I can talk to you, whatever the outcome is, as long as Jalile how I feel about you. Ukuthi mina ngikuthandile kakhulu. You have a beautiful smile, by the way. Before that, I have something for you.
Okay.
Well, you can check the notes. People call you that. Before she even responds, can I sing
Do I
for
have
you?
to respond with my camera? Jeez, guys, I mean.
Can I please sing for you? Uthanda umuntu ngendlela othandwa ngayo ngimi. Ngibanja ngomuntu ophambene luthando. Inqondo yami kubangathi ayikho kangakufakile enhlizweni yami. Uthanda umuntu ngendlela othandwa ngayo. Kunenze ngathi ndiqola amaphepha. Inhliziyo yami ibethela ukuma kangakufakile enhlizweni yami. Jalo mina yakulangazelela ngafika nini ezingalweni zakho. Inhliziyo yami ibethela ukuma ngafika nini ezingalweni zakho. Said.
Nice voice.
Thank you.
Manje kumele ngiphendule.
Yes. Did you say anything?
Guys, I don't know what to say, but and also i-camera ngena ibe uncomfortable.
Okay, bye. Please.
I don't know what you're expecting, and angikho right kulezi ama-relationship mates. Yabo, vele usho into ey'ningi that I'm famous with on campus.
Yeah.
But when it comes to a department yama-relationship, I've not been there. So I'm clueless, in fact, and that's why I'm so uncomfortable. I don't know what to say. And for me, it's more like it's the first time I'm meeting you, because yes, ngakubona ngama-election, that was actually the first time ngikhuluma now, and it was dark. So angikubonanga, and I saw my poster on Facebook and all the stuff, but my pictures were not clear. So it's just more like I'm meeting you for the first time, and yeah, I don't know, I'm confused.
Well, the dream I had about you, being Pupa, Sushi, I think Elaine, it was me and this other guy in Koshuban. So monthly with the guy we have on my phone, Uzamu Weevil. And then in the password, I was Weevil, and then you came. More figure, you drew something like Sakumbuli, but then you drew the password, Yavulegi phone. First of all, ubungangazi kodwa you managed to open the password yam. So the dream to me, well, I'm a visionary person. There is you unlocking my heart. I mean, every time I see you, I have this thing in Guti. Okay, I don't mind, even though I'm was with Tanda in front of me. Even from a distance, I just enjoy looking at you. You smile, everything. Vile ngibe happy, mangibona nje, vile ngihlangile ekhanda, vile ngibe happy. So that dream, I just hold on to that dream because it had a meaning to me. Ukuthi wow, she managed ukuthi avule password yami. And for me, I related that to my heart. Ukuthi you opened my heart in a very marvelous way. I managed ukuthi ngithola umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi angijabulise kodwa ngingekho naye. Umuntu ongijabulisa ungathandani naye. If I have that person, but then I managed to be happy with you, ungazi wena, ngithandana na ungazi, ngiyedwa nje. That was great. So, well, like you've said, Guti, you're not so good. Yeah, just that. So, I'll give you time to think about it. And then we can talk about it. Get police yeah. So were you busy?
Yeah, I was writing an assignment. I was studying, so but it's fine. Understandable, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.